Hi, Kathy here from Kathy's Creations with my daughter,
Sherry.
and we're going to be doing the unboxing of the Bella Rose Society.
I just love the boxes. The old sewing machine on it.
And of course, this box got a little bit damaged, but that's okay.
Yeah.
All right, so this is what it looks like.
As long as it didn't come open.
On the lid. There we go. That's nicely wrapped.
Oh, and there's the brightness again.
All right, let's take this out.
Yes, let's.
Okay, pick up the box. Oh, let's show the bottom of the box. Look at that.
Show the bottom of the box.
That's pretty. Yeah.
Without the glare. Yeah. Okay.
And then the outside of the box is cute too.
Oh, you don't have your address label on the outside of the box?
No.
Okay.
It came wrapped.
Because last time I think I accidentally showed it, and then you had to block it. So this is the bottom of it. And this is the back of it.
That's pretty.
See, I like that.
That made me think. I was watching this program and a detective show. And they were going, this is where my head, I thought it was a robber. So because it was like suspenseful music and everything. And they walked up to this dresser drawer, pulled it out. And I thought, well, there's only one box in there. And it probably was like half the size of that box. He lifts up the lid on the box. It was a wooden box. And I thought, oh, it's thread, spools of thread. I mean, that's what it looked like to me. Then he walks over to a rifle cabinet. And I'm thinking, oh, shoot, that wasn't spools of thread. That was bullets. It's like, oh, my God. I don't know why my mind thought it looked like different little pieces of spools of thread, like Aurifil, just the multicolors. But it was, I guess, bullet casings. So that was kind of funny. I thought, I got to remember to tell that on my YouTube video. Guess my mind is always about sewing. So let's open this up. That's a pretty ribbon, too. Beautiful ribbon. Okay, here we go.
I got a haircut today.
Yeah, you did.
And how much did we take off?
Oh my gosh, what do you think? 8 inches?
That much. Yeah, probably 8 inches. Yeah, it was getting pretty long. I was braiding it every day for work, and
look at that.
It got looks like a little bunny.
Little,
yeah, it's cute.
Little bunny bag. A little, like a velveteen bunny bag.
Yes, it's beautiful. It's very soft.
Oh, that's cute. Look, it's like a double ribbon. There's ribbon, there's some.
Just make sure you're pulling both sides at the same time.
Well, I'm just
otherwise you pull one and whoosh, it all comes out.
And itty bitty buttons.
So I would have done it over the paper there, not the
not everything else. Oh, little black buttons. Oh, little
very
bitty
teeny
buttons.
Tiny buttons. Oh, you left
teeny tiny buttons. Whoops.
Oh no.
Can you get the button?
If anybody watches Despicable Me, they know where that reference is from that movie.
Oh my gosh. Well, let's
put
them back in that bag.
I don't know how you can see that.
It is a itty bitty tiny.
Goodness.
Button.
Very little.
Oh, then you just flip his ears in that bag.
Oh.
Yeah.
See, I told you, don't pull. There you go.
There you go.
Gosh, don't pull one. That'd be it. I feel like
and then the ears can go back inside the bag. Look at that.
Yep. Pull out the ears just for Easter, and that's it. Just put them right back in the bag. Nobody will know.
Oh, here was one. Oh, here's two.
I told you, do it over the paper. She did it all over the fabric and everything. Put them in there.
Over the contents of the box.
Yeah.
Okay, here's another little bag. There are all kinds of goodies. That bag's pretty. Look at all the little roses.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so we have a fabric quilt pin.
You the bag, or did she just say, oh, it's a pretty bag?
I showed the bag. There's a quilt pin.
Just checking.
Here's some true grips. So you put them on your ruler so your ruler doesn't slide. Here's a little rotary cutter. That's for the nice little edges on your
rotary cutter.
That's
a small rotary cutter.
Yeah, so you can get around really easy. And it's got the new drop. Let's show you the picture here, where you drop your blade off really easy without having to twist it. And okay, that's the 3 things in there. All right, your turn to show some stuff.
So if you bump it, it's just gonna fall off?
Well, no, you got to take it off.
Oh,
You've
okay, because you said it's real easy.
It's a quick release. The other side.
I would be the one that it would just fall off.
Okay. You want read a little bit about the welcome, or do you need your glasses? Did you bring them up?
I didn't bring my glasses up here. I'm not reading anything.
Okay. That says Drunkard's Blossom, a square 40 by 40, or the bed is 92 by 92. There's the picture of that. That's something new for the Drunkard's path. Okay. Here. You can open that package.
All right, we'll open it. Ooh,
oh, there's another button.
Another little soft back.
They're everywhere. They're everywhere.
I'm going to find buttons until Easter. Ha ha ha. Isn't today
what?
Palm Sunday, right?
Oh gosh, I don't know. I don't even know the date.
Oh, sorry. You lost me there. I know Friday's the 18th.
Okay, so we have templates.
Yes.
It's upside down.
Is it now?
Yeah, there you go.
Oh gosh, sometimes I need
6.5 inch template.
It says template A. Then it says
it's the website for Bella Rose.
Thank heavens, as long as y'all know that.
And then
did you
the
see
other
that?
piece.
So that was A, or turn around so you can read it.
And you have the curved piece that goes with that.
No, there's 4 templates total.
Okay, right. And so that big one, that's on the.
This is just like the little one.
The other one.
And this one is a 4.5 inch. And then you've got the corners.
Right.
See, I know what that is. This corner is the small one, and then this one is the larger one. And it has you can feel it, like
raised.
Feel it. Yes. Isn't that weird?
Like it's embossed. I guess that's the word. And then we have the template for the large one on paper and the smaller one on the paper.
Now, if they have those on paper, does that mean you can cut those out and use them too?
Yep, you sure can. And then My Spring House is the continuation.
Ooh, I like that. It's a birdhouse.
Isn't it? Yep.
Yeah, it's a pretty little birdhouse. The lady next door, well, I used to have a woman living next door. She had a 2-year-old maybe. And she put a birdhouse similar to that in the tree. Until the kids started messing with it. And then the guys who lived downstairs were like, leave that birdhouse alone. That's the lady upstairs. That's her birdhouse. And he was yelling at him about the birdhouse. But yeah, she put up a cute little birdhouse and had I saw her putting birdseed in it. It's like, oh, that's so cute. I don't have a tree in my front yard, so I can't do that. But however, the birds have decided to nest.
In your bushes.
No. So I have an awning on my porch, right?
Oh, they're nesting in your awning.
So when I get ready to open the door, I'll turn around and all the birds will fly away. And I've got 4 or 5 nests all up in the corner. Oh, no, they've been there. Oh. And I told the landlady, I'll knock them down. No, don't. Just leave them there. I'm like, okay.
And then we have a pattern, and that's bunny fluff. So if y'all like to do bunny rabbits, you can do a runner or the table.
Well, I can't see it. No, I meant
from a distance.
That's fine, yeah.
So the runner is 13 by 36.5. The baby blanket is 40 by 45.5. And you can make a throw for 60 by 65.5.
You can make a whole bunch of little bunny foo-foos.
And then we got some marshmallow peeps. And I do not like peeps.
Really?
So, I can't stand those things.
Oh my gosh.
I don't know if it's the gritty, the gritty whatever, but
it's
they're going
sugar.
That doesn't make any difference. Sugar.
It's grit. It's not grit. It's sugar. I love sugar.
Oh, I don't know about it. I never liked them. Even as a kid, I never liked them.
And now they have them on all different kind of flavors.
Oh yeah, I saw
cocoa flavor and Coca-Cola flavor.
Are they really flavored, or are they just the color? They changed the
color. Oh no, they're flavors. They're flavored peeps. Oh my gosh, some of them are good. Some of them are like, I don't know if I would try that one.
Okay, so the My Spring House was clue number 2. I was right. I thought it was clue number 2. Okay. And each box
what is
contains
this?
a clue.
A clue to what?
To making a quilt. Each one is a block that you're making.
But they're telling you what it is, so why is it a clue?
Because each one of them is a clue, and when you get done, you'll have a clue for every month that you got the box opening, and then you'll have a quilt made. They're just calling it a clue. It's like a pattern. Same thing as a pattern.
So it's a key, not really a clue.
Okay.
Because I'm thinking a clue is, it's a surprise once you finish your quilt. It says something, or it, you know what I mean? You know what I mean, right? Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I thought you were just saying yes, so I stopped talking.
Okay, so now those peeps are cute. And that template looks like a piece of chocolate. I thought it was first till I read it.
You mean that right there?
Yeah. But it's actually those templates you just showed.
Looks like clay to me, but again.
Okay. And all those, I got a bingo card.
Did you get a bingo card?
I did right here. You have to watch.
Did that come in it too?
Yeah, they put one in
this one?
In this box here.
Oh, I didn't know that. I saw it sitting there, but I thought it was just random.
I believe that's where you got it. That's the Facebook, I think, of the retreat. I'm not quite sure, but you you can have a bingo card so that you can play the game. It says, once all the boxes are delivered, this is about the retreat, Sandy's going to host a retreat via Zoom and then in this virtual retreat, she's going to have review the items in your box, play bingo with Bella Bucks, teach you how to make the main project in your box, answer all your questions, share tips and tricks to make the most of your materials, provide expert guidance to support you every step of the way, and best of all, is to make new friends across the country.
Oh, so it's in the retreat is where you play the bingo.
Right.
So when is the retreat? I'm sorry. Did I miss that? Did you already say it?
I didn't say when it was. Sorry. Oh, here, I think it's, I missed the whole page. Oh. Thursday, April 17th, 10 a.m. Pacific time, a Zoom meeting. The link's going to be posted in the Facebook group and will be emailed to you beforehand.
All right. That's nice.
And so things to keep in mind, this subscription box ships every other month, and the next one will be the end of May. Their Freedom Box, available now for pre-orders. Secure yours today to ensure that you don't miss out on this beautiful quilt. Their highly anticipated 12 Days of Christmas Advent Box is available for pre-order now, and it's already more than halfway sold out, so don't miss out reserving your copy of that.
The Christmas is already halfway sold out?
Advent is,
Oh my goodness.
And then they have lives on Tuesdays and Thursdays, 5 p.m. Pacific time on Facebook, Instagram, website, or download their free app. That's what the back said down there. Okay. All right, I think that was everything in the box. We'll lay it out here so everybody can see it. And that's another velour thing.
I know. I said it was real soft.
Oh, gosh. I just love those. Okay. Let's just check it out.
They make velour tracksuits, you know.
But what's the inside made out of? Velour also?
Oh, gosh, no. No. It's the outside is the velour.
Oh, sure. You want the velour next to your body because it's nice and soft, and they put it on the outside.
Well, then just buy it and wear it inside out.
There you go. That has a...
I mean, you wear it at your home, so who cares? Who's going to know?
Exactly. Just you. All right, let's lay it out first. And double ups. We look down and we haven't even shown any of the fabric. Oh, this is a cute little bag, too. Oh, okay. Let's show the fabric. Not only is it in a bag, it's in another bag.
On this one.
It's in another bag. Okay.
Funny.
This is where, there we go.
Oh, excuse me.
Okay. There we go. Okay, so we have multicolors put together. So let me, alrighty. So we have this pretty little light, sort of like a, I don't know what color that would be. A light yellow.
It's green.
No, this one right here, honey. You think that's green?
I wouldn't say it's yellow.
I think it's supposed to be yellow. That's green. The green with the flowers.
No, I just said it was green because you're a virgin of green. Oh, I don't like green.
And then here's some more green.
See? It's green.
And I think that was it. Yeah, that's those three.
It's more like
put together.
Maybe it is yellow, but like a honey mustard color.
Yellow.
Or a Dijon mustard, maybe.
Okay, here. This is pretty. Polka dots. That's what makes you think of Easter. All those little colors right there. Because they're like pastel.
This makes me think of Easter.
And then this is really pretty also. Looks like little, they're little flowers. They go that direction. And then we have a cream. Do we agree that's cream? A cream color.
Sure.
Cream? Is it cream? Is it white? Is it...
It's a dusty cream.
There we go. Now we'll lay them all out, everything out for
hey, if they can say rose or dusty rose, I can say cream or dusty cream.
I'm back on because we're looking at this stuff as I set it down here on the table. We'll get ready to put it up here. And she said she didn't really get a quick look at this.
Like I didn't know what it was. All you said was it. What did you even say it was? A glue pen?
It's a fabric glue pen.
Okay.
So quick, convenient, effective way to hold your fabrics for sewing, easier than pens. So fabric glue pen, it dries clear and it's water soluble.
Huh.
So let's open it because we're going to keep it.
This is in there.
There.
What is that?
The glue, I'm going to guess. Refill for the glue. Okay, so does it? There we go. So it looks like an eraser.
I can't read any of that.
But you wipe it on your fabric.
Uh-huh.
And that's probably a... Let's check it out. Let's look at it.
Yes.
Does it have any directions on there? On the box?
Yes. Can you read them? I can't. I don't have my glasses. Because I use that. I can't read that. Go ahead.
Okay. Easy to use. To extend your glue stick, hold the fluted grip and turn the barrel clockwise. Lightly press the glue stick to the edge of your fabric and glide it along the length. Press it down to the top fabric to adhere the two pieces. Always replace the cap to avoid the glue stick from drying out.
Mm-hmm.
And then the next is, now this is in how many languages? 1, 2, it looks like 2 or 3 languages. 3 at least. Then it says, hold the fluted grip and turn your barrel to expose the white base cap of the glue stick. This is changing it out. Pull this cap from the holder and then simply push the new one in. Turn the barrel clockwise to retract it. That's it. So this is your extra glue. I've never seen one of these before, ever. So we'll try this out to see how that works.
Like it would be a highlighter or something. A pen, not a glue pen.
Yeah. So
glue stick.
I'll try it out on one of my projects that I'm going to make here. Okay, now let's lay it down. Anything else you want to question real quick?
When can we open the peeps?
Alrighty, here's our setup of everything that came in the box. As she tries to go behind me.
Well, I don't want to bump you.
You could have stayed right where you were.
Oh, I didn't know how far to the left you needed to be.
All right, let me move this over so we can see that pattern. That's a cute little pattern. That'd be a cute little table runner.
That'd be a cute baby blanket.
That's true.
I think those buttons are for the tails.
I thought they were the eyes.
Oh, gosh. I thought we were... Well, see, when I look at it, I think of the backside of the bunny. But then, of course, there's will be cottontails. And
there's all the templates.
Tails, right? I don't know.
Well, thank you, everybody, for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. Give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to make a comment, make a comment. Have I left anything out?
Oh, can't think of anything. I was
all
gonna
right.
say something about the size of something. What was it? Oh, it doesn't matter. I can't remember. So if I do, I'll let you know, and then you can type it in there in the
comments.
Yes.
Okay.
Like that.
Thanks, everybody, again for watching. Take care, and welcome to all my subscribers. Bye-bye. New subscribers, I should say.